I know the future. Elon Musk told me. Well, to be precise, he didn't tell me, he told everybody on X. But I heard. Let's chat about it. Hello, my name is Greg Friedman. On this channel, I usually talk about plasmas, but sometimes I deviate to topics like today, but I also talk about plasmas. So, AI-driven post-scarcity society is something Elon Musk mentions often. And he tweeted something like, hey, if you want to check out what the future would look like, read Ian Banks' Culture. And I did. I actually take reading advice and book advice from anybody I respect or admire or both. And Elon happens to be very much both. He's an inspiration to just about any and every engineer that I know. People either hate him or love him. Nobody's indifferent, and that's inspiring. Well, anyway, I got all the books, all the Ian Banks books on, specifically the Culture series. Got them on Audible, and I'm listening to them. I'm on book 3 now, and I totally get it. Read those books. Basically, there are AI machines all over the place. There is can't even call her a robot. There is a thing that's floating around and gets offended when it's called a robot because it is AI and it passed the requirements for citizenship. So it has badass personality. It only responds, or it only wishes to respond to its given name. Very human-like. And, this... Take advice from smart people that read. Anytime they mention a quote from a book or an author, if you respect that person and they shared this with you, take a listen. It could be important. Isaac Asimov's Foundation series changed the direction of my company. If you go on AAplasma.com, our motto, our mission, vision, everything we do day to day and everything I think about is in that motto. Our future is electric. Brilliant. Greg is amazing. Greg came up with such a super phrase. No, I didn't. When I was reading the Foundation series, everything runs on atomics. When you're reading those books, and they were written in the 1950s, so electricity was what AI is today. Everybody was running around buying stocks in electric companies and overinvesting, which led to its own issues. But that book, or those books, made me think everything running on electricity. Petrochemicals are gone. So how do you make clothes? How do you make chemicals? What I'm wearing is made from petrochemicals, right? All the plastics. Can we make them using electricity? Well, yeah, plasma. So the big, grand vision for the company I co-founded is to use electric discharges to replace petrochemical industry. We want plasmas everywhere in every industrial process. It is expensive today, yes, but Isaac Asimov and his foundation gave me a vision. And I keep walking around quoting him, so there you have it. Now, when I noticed that Elon a couple of times mentioned Ian Banks, well, duh, it's obvious to me. Go read the book, figure out what the man is thinking. Let me tell you, go read the book. Read them along with me. There are 10 of them. One is like super short, but there are 10 of them. I'm on book 3. Let's play hide and seek or whatever. Let's play catch. That's it. Let's play catch. And let's make the world better through Elon's vision. He has a vision. The book gave it to him. And it is the vision of futuristic society where AI is there is no money, at least by book 3. I haven't noticed much mention of money or concepts of money, and yet everybody has stuff. Another good example with reading is when I read Artemis book about the moon. The whole concept of moon colony relies on oxygen production on site, and that's totally doable. If you can liquefy lunar rock, so-called regolith, if you can liquefy it, stick 2 electrodes in it, and through electrolysis produce oxygen and pure metal. Metal used for construction, oxygen used for breathing. It says it in a book. It wasn't my idea, but we ended up proposing it to NASA. I know how to build that with minimal moving parts and only using electricity, of course, plasma. So yeah, this is our future as per Ian Banks' Culture series. Our future looks pretty awesome, and if you want to know what it's like, read the book. It's the same book Musk read, and I think that's his vision, at least part of it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any CAN plasma questions, please post them in the comments along with any other questions you may have, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.